In this video, we are going to learn how we can insert shapes in Excel. Now suppose we want to insert any shape in Excel because of any reason. So to insert any shape in Excel, first click to Insert tab over here. In that, go to Illustration section over here. In that, click to Shapes. This one. The moment we click to Shapes, List of Shapes option will appear in front of us. We can select any shape from the given list. Like we are selecting this arrow left, this one. After selecting the shape, move our cursor where we want this shape. Like here, we are moving our cursor toward C1 over here. Then just do left click and drag it like this. The moment we have done left click and drag it, our selected shape has been appear where we want. We can adjust it according to us. We can increase or decrease the shape size according to us. So like this we can insert shape in our Excel worksheet. Try this in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.